What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today. And today we're going to check out the new OtterBox VIVA series case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The VIVA series is a new line of case introduced for this year. I'm not exactly sure the difference between everything else, but we'll pop it open and see what it looks like. This is also new in anti-theft packaging, which I haven't seen OtterBox do in a long time. So it looks like we're going to have to somewhat destroy the package to get it out. So I'm not exactly sure why OtterBox introduced an anti-theft packaging, but they did for this particular series. So here it is, the new VIVA series from OtterBox. So this new VIVA series is very reminiscent of the Commuter case, which is still offered for this year. However, it seems like a thinner version of it. You can see it's a two-piece style design, again very reminiscent of the Commuter case. And this part here encompasses your iPhone in this durable, flexible rubber material, and holding it all together is this polycarbonate outer shell. Alright, so let's install our iPhone 11 Pro Max. We'll put the rubber piece on first, and next we'll put the plastic piece on. I usually go bottom side first. Make sure the cover is free, and it should just pop into place, like so. So yeah, pretty easy installation. Taking it out is pretty easy too. Just do the reverse, start with the top, peel the back off, iPhone comes out. So I did reach out to OtterBox just to get more insight on the differences between the Commuter case and the VIVA case. And I first thought the VIVA case is only exclusively available from Walmart or OtterBox.com. And in regards to comparing the Commuter case and the VIVA case, I have the Commuter case here from last year for the XS Max. And the main difference is that the VIVA case is a little bit slimmer profile, which you can see from the bezels that the VIVA case is a little bit thinner. However, OtterBox states that both offer the same amount of protection. Aside from the slimmer profile, the VIVA case also has the additional rubber grips on the back here, so you do have a bit more grip when you're holding the case. And a couple minor differences, such as there's no cutout for the Apple logo like there was on the Commuter case, and the OtterBox logo is upgraded to a more, modern design. So in a sense, the VIVA case is, in my opinion, just a slimmer version of the Commuter case. Anyways, let's take a quick overview of this case. Starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of bezel protection with the rubber material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. I also have an edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector on here. And you can see the case does not interfere with the screen shield. And even though there's an extra piece of glass on top, you can see here the case still lips just above the glass display. Moving on towards the side of the case, we do have covers for your volume rockers. Still get a nice clicky feel when you press on them. A cutout for the vibrate and ring switch, and of course a cover for the power button as well. Both sides also have these line grooves for added grip. And like the Commuter case, the VIVA case still offers a cover for the lightning port on the bottom, which is a very nice bonus. And once again on the back side, we have a very nice slick matte finish that encompasses the entire back, updated OtterBox logo, the rubber grooves that I showed you guys earlier, and a precision cutout for the triple lens camera. Overall guys, I rocked the Commuter case on my iPhone XS Max last year for probably about 80% of the time. And one of the things I've always kind of griped on the Commuter case is that it's a little bit thick, but of course you do get good protection out of it. However, I'm happy that OtterBox brought a slimmer version of the Commuter case in the form of the VIVA case here, so that even on the XS Max, or in this case the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it doesn't feel like a brick in your pocket. One of the reasons why I rock the Commuter case and probably the VIVA case for a little while now is because I like the design concept behind it. Basically, because your iPhone is wrapped in rubber, it almost acts as a gasket for your phone. And that's important because a lot of cases do an excellent job at drop protection. However, not a lot of cases do an excellent job at sealing your phone from dust, debris, and all that other junk that could get in between the case and your phone. And that's a bad thing because all that dust, debris, and stuff that builds up between your case and your phone can actually potentially scratch the finish of your iPhone. It also explains why many people report saying, oh, I took my case off after 2 or 3 months and it scratched my phone. And that's because you should, in my opinion, take your case off your phone from time to time, maybe 2 or 3 times a month, to ensure that you wipe down the case and your phone so you don't let that kind of stuff build up. So going back to the VIVA case here as well as the Commuter case, both these cases do an excellent job at acting as a gasket because you have this rubber wrapping around the entire portion of your phone and sealing it from debris, dust, and all that stuff that may be floating around in your pocket or on the table or just in the environment. And that's one of the reasons why I sported the Commuter case for most of the time last year for my XS Max. In addition, this little cover on the bottom here is also a really big bonus because the lightning port it's easy to clean the outside and the screen of your phone, but the port here is a little bit more difficult. So because you have a cover on it, it seals the port from dust and stuff from potentially damaging the inside connectors. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the new VIVA case, the only thing I could say is that the matte finish on the back here is quite slippery in the hand. So it's kind of nice that OtterBox did put these rubber grips on the side, so it does help a little bit. However, it is a pretty slick finish on the back plastic. That being said, I still prefer a matte finish over glossy finish just because a matte finish shows less fingerprints and is much more scratch resistant. In conclusion guys, if you're in the market for an all-around protective case that not only protects your phone from drops, but also does an excellent job at sealing your phone from dust, debris, and all that stuff from building up inside, you definitely can't go wrong with the all-new OtterBox VIVA case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below, hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.